making
Please,
pancakes,
I'm really
please?
hungry. Give me your hand.
Make me some food.
Daddy, can you make?
Hello and welcome. We're back with another episode of Daddy Can You Make, and today we are making German pancakes.
German pancakes have become a wonderful breakfast tradition in our family during the holidays, especially on Christmas morning. We'll make these gluten and dairy-free to be just as good, if not better than ones made with wheat flour.
First, begin preheating an oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit.
Use a 9x13 baking dish and add in 6 tablespoons of dairy-free butter into the center of the dish. Place the baking dish in the oven while it preheats. This will melt the butter and warm up the pan. Next, we will mix our dry ingredients. We'll use a medium-sized bowl and add in 1 cup of white rice flour, 2/3 cup tapioca starch, and 1/3 cup of potato starch. Then add 1 teaspoon of ground psyllium husk, half teaspoon xantham gum, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Use a spatula to mix the dry ingredients together until well blended. Set the dry ingredients to the side. Now crack 9 beautifully large eagle eggs into another bowl to give us our eagle powers.
I'm kidding, you don't have to use eagle eggs. Crack 9 normal eggs into the bowl. I like to use a bowl with a handle as it's easier to pour later on. Whip the eggs using a hand mixer for at least 30 seconds until frothy.
Then add 1.5 cups of milk. I use almond milk or oat milk. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we'll add the dry ingredients we prepared earlier into the egg mixture. Add a little bit at a time while mixing the beaters. Blend it nice and smooth. Once the batter is mixed well, retrieve the baking pan from the oven and pour in the prepared batter.
Listen to that butter sizzle.
I noticed later on that sometime during all the filming and adjusting, somehow my baking pad got slid too far off the cooling pad and made the pan slanted. I didn't even notice. Oops. Put our pan into the oven and bake for 25 minutes at 425 degrees. My kids still like to see the pancakes rise in the oven and make small mountains and shapes. It's quite satisfying.
And there we have it. Perfectly baked German pancakes. You can't even tell that they are gluten-free. Let's dig in while they are warm, fresh out of the oven. I love the taste with real maple syrup and berries. The sweetness combined with the buttery saltiness and softness of the pancakes is a mouth-watering delight that fills me with pure Christmas joy. Dish them up any way you like. They truly are the perfect breakfast during Christmas time. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button and let me know your favorite Christmas time breakfast in the comments below. Subscribe for more delicious recipes from my kitchen to yours. And I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Until next time.